Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be showing you guys a powerful hair growth oil that consists of just 3 ingredients. These ingredients are very potent on their own, but they're even better when combined together, so stay tuned. So guys, the very first ingredient we'll be using today is none other than hibiscus. This is one of our absolute favorite ingredients. We've been using it in a lot of our hair growth oils and our hair teas, and honestly, we have seen such massive results. Today, we'll be blending the hibiscus flowers into powder form because this allows it to infuse better into the oil, and then we'll be using just 2 tablespoons of it. Hibiscus provides a number of benefits to your hair, such as it stimulates hair growth and reduces hair fall, it conditions the hair strands, it prevents baldness, it prevents dandruff and itchy scalp, and also it prevents premature graying. The second ingredient we'll be using today, guys, is moringa powder. This is another one of our faves. We've been using moringa in our hair oils and we've seen a lot of hair growth and hair benefits from it. We'll also be using 2 tablespoons of moringa powder. Moringa is very effective for your hair growth because it develops the hair cells and also reduces chances of alopecia. Moringa also activates the dormant hair follicles on your scalp, so areas where this hair is lacking at the edges or having any bald patches, moringa really targets that. It also improves hair growth with its rich quantity of zinc, omega-3, vitamin A, and iron. Baby, you give me ice and fire. Now the third ingredient that we'll be using today are cloves. Cloves contain a property called eugenol, which increases the blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. We have used cloves in a variety of our hair oils and teas. I'm sure you guys know this by now, and we have seen immense results in our hair growth journey. Today we'll be using just 1 tablespoon of cloves. Yes guys, just 1. It really is that powerful.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine.
Now time to add in our carrier oils. So today we'll be using 2 oils. We'll be using 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil and also 100 ml of pure almond oil. These oils are really accessible to get in your local grocery stores. And if you happen not to like extra virgin olive oil, you could substitute this for avocado oil. But as for almond oil, I mean, everybody loves almond oil.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body, your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Once your oils are added in, mix everything in and then double boil on low heat for about 15 minutes.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
This hair growth oil is simple but very rich and potent. Just 3 ingredients are needed for you to see transformation. It will help stimulate your hair growth, it treats baldness and alopecia, it heals dandruff and itchiness, it reduces hair shedding, and it conditions the hair. Overall, you also see a progress with hair growth with this oil.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
After double boiling and once your mixture has cooled down, you can then proceed to strain out the oil. We waited till the next day to strain out the oil because we just wanted it to infuse a little longer. A clean wig cap or a cheesecloth can be used to do this.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Now your hair growth oil is ready for use. You can refer to these 3 ingredients as a powerful trio because honestly, they are packed with a variety of holistic nutrients and vitamins to transform your hair. How to use this oil? You can apply this oil by using the oil dropper and gently massaging it into your scalp. This oil can be applied also on the body of your hair and worked through from the scalp to your ends, as shown in this video. It can also be applied every 2 to 3 days. So now we have come to the end of the video. Kindly let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you and if you'll be trying out this hair growth oil. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.